All right, guys, today we have a 2007 Kia Sorento up on the lift. This car has a bad joint, so we're going to show you how to check the front end of this car, and then whatever it needs, we're going to do it. We already checked it, so we know what the car needs, but we're going to show you how to check and what to determine what the car needs. First, he's going to take the tire and move around the tire just like that. That's to check the tie rods. And if I go underneath the car, and if he does that, if I look at it, there's no play here and there's no play on the inner tie rod. So, and you can usually feel it in the tire. If there's no play on it, you don't go any further, you don't check. And if you want to check the ball joint, he's gonna take the tire and move it around in this position from top to bottom. All right, you can see the tire moves a little bit. And if you go underneath, you're gonna see excessive play in this. You see that, how that's moving? That's a bad ball joint. So pretty much this joint comes with the control arm. So we'll do our next video, how to change a control arm on a 2007 Kia Sorento. And then the last thing what you wanna do is, you can check the bottom ball joint by putting a pry bar. Usually if there's a play in there, it will show you. You can lift it from the bottom up like that. But this one doesn't have it. You can also pry bar a little bit, but we already checked it. We don't need to check that. And if you do need to check it, you can put a pry bar right on the top and just wiggle it around. All right, so that's how you check the front end of any vehicle, not just the Kia. If you feel any play in any of these joints, even on the control arms, you know you have a bad control arm bushings. All right, so that's what it is. And next video we'll do how to change a control arm on a Kia Sorento.